Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start new topic Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. So let's start with Rolle's theorem. Firstly we have to discuss statement of Rolle's theorem. So the statement of Rolle's theorem are if fx is a continuous function, let us consider fx is a function and this function is continuous. Fx is a continuous function and closed interval a comma b, and if fx is a differentiable function, if fx is a differentiable and open interval a comma b, and it should be fa equals to fb, so there exists at least one point f dash c equals to 0 where c is lie within a and b. Let us understand these all steps by the help of an example. Suppose we have drawn a graph. Suppose let us take 2 points at x equals to a and at x equals to b. This is the fx, y-axis represent fx and x-axis represent the different point. Now according to the statement, function should be continuous, function should be differentiable and fa equals to fb. Then there exists a point where f dash c equals to 0. That means the slope of this graph is equals to 0. So that means we have to find out at least one point where the slope of the function is equal to 0 and the point at which the slope of this function is equals to 0. This is lie between a and b. So suppose if we are drawing the graph of any function which is continuous and differentiable, that means we have to join these 2 points. Suppose this is point A and this one is point B. So we have to join A and B. So now we can draw a graph, continuous graph. So that means continuous graph are those graphs which we can draw without lifting the pen. So we can in simply way draw like this A and B, curve of AB. Now the function is differentiable, that means the graph should be smooth. Okay. So we have to find out a point where the slope is equals to 0. As we know that the slope is represented by dy over dx, where y represent any function, derivative of function represent the slope of any function, and this one is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 if 2 points are given. Okay. Slope of line or any function. Okay. Now suppose we are drawing a tangent. So at this point we notice that the value of this tangent line, value of the slope of this tangent line is equals to 0 and these two are parallel. So that means the value of this graph, so that means the value of slope of this graph is equal to 0 at point C. Okay. So that means the derivative of this function, that means f dash c is equals to 0 at this point, at point C. Okay. And we notice that C lie between A and B. Correct. So this is the statement of Rolle's theorem. This is too much easy to understand. It is simply that the function is continuous and differentiable and f equals to fb. That means we have a 2 point where the value of the function is same. So for this graph, we get a point C where the slope of this function is equals to 0 and that point is lie between A and B. Suppose we can draw this graph. It's another way. Suppose like this. And if we are draw a tangent like this, again we get a point where the slope of this graph is equals to 0. That means at point C the slope of graph of this curve is equals to 0. So here the one point is mentioned. There exists at least one point. What is the meaning of there exists at least one point? That means we have at least one point. That means we have a minimum one point where the slope of graph should be equals to 0. And we get more than one point also. Suppose if we are drawing graph like this, suppose this is a continuous, we can draw this graph without dipping the pen also, and this is also a smooth curve. So that means this is differentiable also. So if we notice, if we draw the tangent line at this point and at this point, we get the slope of this graph is equals to 0 at point C1 and at point C2 also. So here we get 2 points where the graph of the where in this graph the slope of the function is equals to 0. Correct? So the meaning of there exists at least one point. That means we get a minimum one point where the slope of graph is equals to 0. Okay. Now come to the mean value theorem. It is also known as Lagrange mean value theorem and LMVT. Correct? LMVT is modified form of Rolle's theorem. Rolle's give the two statement if fx is a continuous in a comma b and fx is a differentiable in a comma b, where fa equals to fb. So Lagrange modify this point fa equals to fb. If the value of function in these 2 points are not equal, so what are the condition for C? So Lagrange modify that and say if function is continuous in a comma b and differentiable is open a comma b, then there exists a point C where f dash C is equals to fb minus fa over b minus a, and where C is lie between a and b. The condition is same as Rolle's theorem. C is lie between a and b, and there exists at least one point. There exists at least one point C where the slope of the function is equals to 0. So according to LMVT, so let us take a function fx and we have to find out the value of this function at different 2 points where fa not equals to fb. Okay, so let us take point B here at x equals to b. Now we have to draw a graph between a and b which is continuous and differentiable also. So as like the previous graph, we can draw this graph is like this and join a and b. Okay. So just try to find out a point where the slope of graph is equals to 0. So suppose we have draw a tangent line this, and this point is represented by x comma y. That means we get a comma fa. The value of point A is equals to a comma fa, and the value of point B is b comma fb. Got it? If we want to find out the slope between 2 points, so we have a formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in that case, we have to find out the slope between A and B. So these are 2 points. So the slope of AB is FB minus FA. That means Y2 minus Y1 and X2 minus X1. Okay. This is the slope of the line. And these two lines, that means tangent and AB, are parallel to each other, and we know that the parallel line having equal slope. So that means this line also have a slope is equal to this. So we have a point C here. Slope is also represent the derivative of function. So f dash C. So f dash C is equals to FB minus FA over B minus A. If we are compare this by the Rolle's theorem, it can see that Rolle's theorem having a condition FA equals to FB. If we are putting here in the place of FB, FA, we get 0. So that means f dash C equals to 0 again. Okay. So by Lagrange mean value theorem, we get slope of the line or slope of the tangent is FB minus FA over B minus A, where the C lie between A and B. Okay. So in Rolle's theorem, f dash C equals to 0. According to Rolle's, f dash C equals to 0. But according to LMBT, f dash C equals to FB minus FA over B minus A. If we apply the case of Rolle's here, so we get FA minus FA over B minus A, that means 0. And the C is lie between A and B in both the cases. So we can say that Lagrange is a modified form of Rolle's theorem. Got it?